Hi there, here's an update on my projects. I just posted a video, the one before this one, about the Glass Revolution project. For that I've got some Fresnel lenses. They actually arrived. There's one here. This is a linear one, and you should see the effect because my face gets longer if I use it. That's because it only focuses in one direction. And that's I'm going to use that to demonstrate the application on concentrated photovoltaics. And of course you can also use it as a replacement for a parabolic trough reflector. These things are quite thick, as you can see, 3 millimeters. They would not be, I have no idea how durable they are actually in real sunlight. I can imagine that if you want to apply them in real life, you want to have a top layer of laboratory glass. So you simply have a glass top surface that is more scratch resistant, and you could actually also treat that with a diamond coating, so it would not scratch ever, and then it would be very useful. Of course, the cooler item is the magnifying lens, this one. I tried it outside, and of course it burns through and inside as well. Through something directly, it starts to burn immediately in the focal point. It's about about half a meter, 50 centimeters. I can probably look it up exactly what the focal point is. I'll use this to make a demonstration setup for my melting glass, melting sand project. I realized that I can make a terracotta crucible for melting glass, but I can also probably, if I do it right, melt lead and maybe even metals with this lens. Another application of it is to use it simply for cooking. So basically what you have is a thermos flask that you follow the sun with this, you track it, but you direct the light into a thermos flask where it gets absorbed and it boils the water and it heats up the food. Should be quite good. As a 30 by 30 centimeter lens, this still gets about about 90 watts or 80 watts of power. Focus it in one specific point, and basically you'll be able to do a lot with it. So I got them, and next step is to build what I need to control them, and I'm going to try to build some kind of installation that I can leave outside and don't have to attend. And the nice thing is that I can probably power that with the linear Fresnel lens, but we'll have to see. There's one of the people that have been assisting me, Michel Blom, in Ketel. He basically gave me a power harvester. But of course a power harvester based on supercapacitors can also be used to very quickly load up when there's power and then store that for a little while in order to make, for instance, microcontrollers work appropriately. We'll see, but that's a little bit of work. And keep following this channel and you'll see what happens.